So there's the Axon code generator. There are quite a few code generators here I use in projects, but here is the live prototype code generator, which is pretty amazing. Let me show you how that works. Jumping over to Miro, here we see a very simple event model that allows us to create appointments in a system. So what we have here is we have one screen, we have this command that creates an appointment, which results in an appointment created event, a simple way to create an appointment. And then we have a second read model here that allows us to display all the appointments on a second screen, which is the appointments screen. Now, if we jump here and create the configuration, you see this play button here. This play button is the real-time prototype. This generates a running prototype directly out of the event model. How does that work? If we jump over here, this is what you see here. We have the default flow and we have the screen and we have the appointments screen. These two tabs here correspond directly to the screens we have here in the event model. Now jumping here to the screen, I have my command here and I can say this is my appointment for Martin with my email address. And I have this here. This is my real-time prototype. Submitting it, we see we are using an in-browser event sourcing engine here. This is the information we have stored. And if we jump now to the appointments here, we have a list of appointments that we can select and we see the information here. So we can really play around with our prototype. And the cool thing is this updates automatically. So if I change the screen name here, for example, and I say this is also the appointments screen, and I regenerate the appointment here, I can jump back over here, and in just a second, this should update automatically to show only one screen. So let's update the view for a second. And now what we see here is we have no longer two screens, we have one screen which hosts the command and also our read model. So let's make another appointment for today. Submit it, and we see both are now on one screen. So changes in the model are directly reflected live in the prototype here, which is pretty cool. And you can use this code generator now as you like. Cool stuff.